Shiba Inu price prediction: why SHIB faces investor fatigue as a top holder switches to Rexas Finance, forecasted to soar 15,739%. The cryptocurrency market is no stranger to rapid changes in shifting investor interests. And nowhere is this more evident than in the saga of Shiba Inu SHIB. Once hailed as the Dogecoin killer and the quintessential meme coin darling, SHIB has captivated millions with its community-driven hype and speculative fervor. However, recent developments show a noticeable shift in the investor landscape, with major holders growing weary of SHIB's speculative cycle and redirecting their investments towards projects rooted in practical fundamentals. Among the new favorites gaining traction is Rexas Finance Rxs, a blockchain-based platform revolutionizing the way real-world assets like gold and real estate are tokenized, traded, and made accessible. Market analysts forecast an eye-popping growth of 15,739% for Rxs, painting a compelling picture of why investors are migrating away from meme coins to more substantial projects. Why is Shiba Inu facing investor fatigue? Shiba Inu skyrocketed in popularity largely due to its meme status, viral marketing, and community enthusiasm. But the same factors fueling its rise have led to a natural burnout. Volatility and speculation: SHIB's price movements are largely speculative, driven by social media hype and trending narratives rather than intrinsic value or project utility. Market saturation: as SHIB's hype curve matures, many investors, especially large holders or whales, have realized that the token's long-term growth potential is limited without tangible project fundamentals. Price stagnation: at the time of writing, SHIB's price hovers at roughly $0.00001245, showing a slight decline, which reflects the market's waning enthusiasm. This fatigue manifests clearly as influential SHIB holders begin reallocating their portfolios, shifting towards more promising cryptocurrencies. Rexas Finance, a real-world asset tokenization pioneer. Enter Rexas Finance Rxs, a project that stands apart from the meme coin crowd by leveraging blockchain to unlock real economic value. Rexas Finance aims to transform traditionally illiquid physical assets into blockchain-based tokens that can be easily traded, fractionalized, and integrated into decentralized finance DeFi ecosystems. Some key highlights of Rexas Finance's model include: tokenizing physical assets. By converting assets like gold bars and real estate properties into blockchain tokens, Rxs introduces liquidity to markets that have long been difficult to access or trade. Investor accessibility: the tokenization process allows fractional ownership, meaning investors can own smaller shares of high-value assets, opening opportunities previously limited to institutional players. Market liquidity boost: tokenized assets can be traded quickly and globally, improving asset liquidity and broadening market participation. Stable investment appeal: unlike meme coins, Rxs's value is fundamentally tied to real-world assets, providing a more stable investment proposition. Rexas Finance's impressive pre-sale performance. The excitement around Rexas Finance is already palpable. Currently in its 12th pre-sale stage, Rxs tokens are offered at 20 cents each. The pre-sale has already raised $48 million, achieving 92.28% of its $56 million target by selling 461 million out of 500 million available tokens. This remarkable uptake showcases strong investor confidence, especially as the public market listing approaches on June 19, 2025, when the Rxs token price is set to open at $0.25. This upcoming listing is a critical milestone expected to generate significant market activity. The big shift: top SHIB holder moves 75% of portfolio to Rxs. A powerful indicator of the market sentiment shift is one of Shiba Inu's top holders who has moved 75% of their cryptocurrency holdings into Rexas Finance tokens. This move is symbolic, representing a broader trend where investors seek to diversify away from volatile meme coins towards projects promising real-world utility and sustainable growth. The anticipation around Rexas Finance is bolstered by forecasts suggesting a jaw-dropping price increase of 15,739% for Rxs. Such exponential growth projections have caused a wave of enthusiasm within the crypto community, fueling a migration from SHIB to Rxs. Real-world asset tokenization: the future of crypto investing? Rexas Finance taps into a transformative trend that could reshape the crypto space: real-world asset tokenization. By bridging blockchain technology with tangible assets, it offers several advantages. Decentralized ownership. Blockchain enables transparent, secure, and decentralized asset management. Fractional investment. Investors can participate with smaller amounts, increasing inclusivity. Enhanced liquidity. Traditionally illiquid markets become more dynamic and accessible. Diversification adds an alternative asset class to crypto portfolios beyond volatile tokens. Institutional appeal. Real assets attract institutional investors seeking stability and regulated exposure. This stands in stark contrast to meme coins like SHIB, whose value hinges largely on social momentum and speculative trading. What lies ahead for Shiba Inu and Rexas Finance? While Shiba Inu's community and meme legacy remain strong, the market signals a need for evolution. Investor fatigue, price stagnation, and shifting capital flows suggest that SHIB faces an uphill battle to maintain its previous explosive growth. Conversely, Rexas Finance is poised for a strong market entry backed by solid fundamentals, real-world utility, and overwhelming investor interest. As the June 19th listing date approaches, Rexas stands out as one of the most promising crypto projects to watch in 2025, potentially delivering 15,739% gains for early adopters. This trend reflects a broader market transition favoring projects that combine blockchain innovation with tangible economic value, a maturation process that may ultimately redefine how cryptocurrencies are valued and adopted. In summary, Shiba Inu faces significant investor fatigue due to speculation-driven hype and price volatility. Large SHIB holders are reallocating investments towards fundamentally strong projects. Rexas Finance Rxs emerges as a front-runner by tokenizing real-world assets like gold and real estate. Rxs presale raised $48 million, nearly reaching its $56 million target, showing strong market confidence. Top SHIB holder moves 75% of holdings into Rxs, signaling major market shift. Rxs forecasted to surge by 15,739%, driven by practical utility and market liquidity. Real-world asset tokenization is the future, attracting both retail and institutional investors. Rexas Finance's public listing on June 19, 2025, marks a critical moment for crypto markets. Stay tuned for more updates on Shiba Inu, Rexas Finance, and the evolving crypto landscape. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest insights.